Para sa ingredients, apples, sugar, cinnamon, water. At para sa crumble, flour, butter, oats, sugar, at cinnamon to taste. Para sa unang step on how to make apple crumble, kailangan hugasan muna natin yung mga apples tsaka ito balatan. Matapos balatan ang mga apples, hiwain ito, tanggalin yung mga natirang balat at yung mga buto sa gitna. At hiwain ng pakwadrado. Sa isang malinis na pot, ibuhos po natin yung water. Sugar. At haluin po natin hanggang sa matunaw yung ating asukal. Na-on ko na nga po pala kanina yung stove. So, mainit na po yung pot. So, hayaan lang po natin, haluin natin hanggang sa kumulo. At sunod ko pong ilalagay yung cinnamon. Ilalagay ko na po ang cinnamon. At isusunod ko rin po yung mga apples. Nilagyan ko rin pala ng vanilla, pero optional na po. Nasa sa inyo na kung gusto nyong lagyan ng vanilla. Mix lang natin, siguraduhin lang natin na na-coat siya ng sugar at cinnamon. Ngayon, ililipat lang po natin sa isang malinis na baking dish yung ating apples na pinakuluan sa sugar at cinnamon. Spread lang natin yung mga apple sa baking dish. At isa-set aside po muna natin at gagawin natin sunod yung crumble topping. Sa isang malinis na mixing bowl, ilagay natin ang flour, sugar, at cinnamon.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open it.
Sunod kong ilalagay yung butter. Cut lang natin in a square shape yung ating butter para madali lang siyang haluin at i-mix sa flour mixture. Lubos ko na rin yung oats, saka natin hahaluin. Ayan, ganyan lang po.
Open up, you open up. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you open
At ngayon, isprinkle na natin yung ating crumble toppings. Ayan. Ilang natin sa ating mga mansanas.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm tryna put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh.
We heat the oven to 400 degree Fahrenheit at i-bake po natin ng 40 minutes yung ating apple crumble.
Open up.
Ito na po ang ating apple crumble with ice cream on top. Paborito ko siyang lagyan ng ice cream. Kahit anong flavor, vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, talagang napakasarap po. Hindi siya matamis pero napaka-crunchy ng crumble niya. Ayan, yummy!